I just turned a few screenshots into this professional 9-page audit. It ranks the top 15 issues of my store and it gives me a 7-day action plan to fix them. It took me just a few minutes using free AI tools. If you're an e-commerce owner and guessing what to fix on your store, this removes the guesswork. In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve your store with a free AI audit. Let's get started. There are only 2 things you need to be able to do this, and you probably already have one of them. Obviously, you need access to an AI model like ChatGPT or Gemini. You might want to get a paid subscription, but don't worry if you don't want to pay, you absolutely do not have to. You can still get a lot done with a free version. The other thing is an app for taking full page screenshots. An easy option is a Chrome extension like GoFullPage. It's completely free, and here's how you can get it in just under a minute. Open Chrome and search for the extension name. Click install. Once it's installed, you will see a small camera icon on the right side of your browser. Go to the page you want to capture, click on the icon, and it will screenshot the entire page from top to bottom. Pro tip, if you want to test mobile pages, resize the browser window, grab the right edge and drag it to the left so the page renders its mobile version. Then you can use the extension the same way and it will capture the mobile version. Right, so that's pretty much it. Now you can just right click and save image as something. This image is what you will upload to the AI for analysis. All right, let's now jump right into auditing your site. I just picked the site at random called Hydrant. We need to grab a full page screenshot of the home page on both desktop and mobile. I'm going to save them. Now I'm going to open ChatGPT and I'm going to take these 2 images and drop it into the prompt box. And I'm also adding the prompt. You can pause the video and read it if you want. I will also add all the prompts to a document and you can access it using the link in the description. It's totally free on Google Drive. Notice this summary block part. I'm adding that because I also want to create a small presentation for this audit. You got a hint of that in the intro. So I'm going to copy whatever the AI puts into those bullet points and paste it into a separate document. Then I'll use that to create a professional PowerPoint presentation to summarize the audit. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We're looking at our first prompt and I'm going to send it now. So here is the results. This is our scorecard. You can see we have some bad marks for the CTA strength, apparently because we have 2 competing CTAs. It's also not immediately clear what they are about. I can totally agree with that. And as you can see, there's plenty of other things that it is highlighting as being broken. Here are our top 3 quick wins, test run scenarios, and a simple checklist to get the ball rolling. Finally, this summary block, I will just copy this and paste it into a notepad. And you can also grab the checklist, open a new chat, and ask ChatGPT to generate a printable version. Right, let's download it. There you go. So now you can start checking things off with a pen if that's something that you would like to do. All right, so now we have this collections page. Let me take 2 screenshots as before. And this is our prompt. Okay, we are not doing too well on persuasion. Collection title is useless. No collection intro. Too many near duplicate items. Shorting is invisible. Well, there is some shorting, but it's not very good. Here's a few copy-paste ready quick fix and a couple of product cards improvements. These are our quick wins in order and our bigger wins. We have the test scenarios again and our checklist. And of course, I'm going to copy this again and add it to my notes. Now we're heading over to the product page. I'm picking an individual item from this catalog now and we're going to see how good the product page is. All right, pasting in the prompt. I'm asking the AI to be our conversion rate optimizer. The primary CTA is not the clear main action. Is that actually true? I don't even see where the chart is. Ah, all right, there it is. I do agree, it's a bit too crowded. The premium VIP bundle looks like a separate store page. Sometimes, by the way, GPT is just trying to sound smart, so you don't have to believe everything it says. All right, I have 2 more prompts to go, but I also want to show you a bonus one, so I'm gonna speed things up a little bit. These are the next 2 prompts, one for auditing the cart and the other for the actual checkout. So what we're gonna do now, I'm going to paste in this prompt and I'm going to take the combined summaries and I'm going to paste it here and I will run this prompt. All right, so this is our complete audit doc. This top 15 issues table, I think it looks really good. We have a 7 days action plan with a daily checklist, as well as the 30-day action plan with weekly checklist. Here's what we should do for KPIs and our presentation outline. So from here, I'm going to ask the AI to turn this into professional PDF. It is writing code to be able to create the PDF. Pretty cool. Here's our PDF. Let me take a look at it. All right, so here's our audit report. Okay, so this is not very good. All of it looks pretty good actually. Only this table is not looking good, so we can take a screenshot of this and reprompt the AI. So now I created the second version. I'm going to take a look at it. And voila, now it is looking much better. All of this looks really, really good now. So now the last thing, I will scroll up a little bit and grab this presentation outline, and I will ask the AI to create the actual presentation. All right, so it's done. It was really fast. There you go. It would be pretty good if the pictures were not stretched and compressed in a way which is not looking too good. I suspect because we were capturing pretty large screenshots, it's difficult to put that onto this slide, but it's not a problem. We can ask it to remove the pictures or otherwise polish the design. So there you have it. This is how you audit your site completely free using AI. When you're doing this audit, it's important to take everything with a pinch of salt, but I do encourage you to try to do this audit for your site and see if you can find something useful. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. I will create a lot more videos, and I'm starting to focus more on e-commerce. So I will create videos where you can learn how you can use technology to improve your store and make your life easier. So again, if that's the content that you would be interested in watching, then subscribe because a lot more is coming. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.